Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of Lines. Let's solve this question together. Find the slope x and y intercepts of the following lines. Y equals 3x minus 11, and b we have 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0, and c is x minus 8 is equals to y plus 2, and d is y equals 2, and e is given as x equals 4. So we will find the slope, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts of these. Slope, slope, x-intercepts, and the y-intercepts of these. For the slope of y equals 3x minus 11. When the y is by itself, remember, excuse me, we have a format of a linear function, y equals mx plus b. So in this case, the m is the slope. The number in front of the x is the slope. So therefore, the slope of the a is just 3. What about the x-intercept? To find the x-intercept of something, we're going to substitute 0 for the y. So if 0 equals 3x minus 11, then you're going to add 11 to both sides. So 11 equals 3x. Then you will divide both sides by 3. So the x-intercept will be equals to 11 over 3. And y-intercept. To find the value of y-intercept, you're going to substitute 0 for the x. So y equals 3 times 0 minus 11. That gives you y equals negative 11. So our y-intercept is negative 11 for the choice A. So let's do this for the choice B. Okay, we're gonna find slope. To find the slope, we will need to isolate the y. So we will take away 2x from both sides and add 12 to both sides because we're going to isolate the the y. 4y is equals to negative 2x plus 12. These are gone. Divide both sides by 4. And the equation will be y equals negative 1 over 2x, because 2 over 4 is simplified, plus 3. The number in front of the x, when the y is by itself, is negative 1 over 2. So the slope is negative 1 over 2 for the b. And to find the x-intercept, we will just 0 for the y. Negative 1 over 2x plus 3. Take away 3 from both sides. This becomes negative 3. Negative 3 equals negative 1 over 2x. To get x by itself, we will multiply both sides by negative 2 over 1. Reciprocal of the first one. These cancel each other out. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So our x-intercept is positive 6. And we're going to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we will give 0 in the equation. So y will be close to 3. So the y-intercept is positive 3 for the choice B. So let's solve it now. See, we will need to find the slope. Then to do that, we'll just isolate the y. If you'll take away 2 from both sides, y becomes x minus 10. So is the y by itself? Yes, it is. And the number in front of the x is our slope, which is positive 1. And to find the x-intercept, we're going to give 0 to y and add 10 to both sides. To x will be equals to positive 10. So our x-intercept is positive 10. To find the y-intercept, we'll give 0 now to x. So y will be equals to 0 minus 10, and which is negative 10. So our y-intercept is negative 10. I mean, as a coordinate, of course, this is 0 and negative 10, and as a point. But the value where the y intersects with the line intersects with y-axis, negative 10. That's why I just put it that way. And for the choice D, this is like as if y equals 0x plus 2, right? The number in front of the x is then 0. The slope is 0. And to find the x-intercepts, we're going to give 0 to x. You can do that. I mean, so, but I want you to imagine the slope of y. I mean, imagine the graph of y equals 2. Let me show you that over here. Let's say this is y, this is x coordinates. Let's say this is positive. Is this line is ever intersecting with the x-axis? No. It does not intersect with the x-axis. So there is no x-intercepts on this one because it's parallel. No x-intercepts. What about the y-intercept? Yes, y-intercept is exactly on 2, obviously. Y equals 2. So, let me show you in this format. No x-intercepts, and the blue color, I'll just put a 2. And for the last one, we can just squeeze that in on the corner. X equals 4. Let's say positive 4 is here. The graph will be like this. X equals 4. This was y equals 2. So the slope of this line, if a line is exactly up and down, which is vertical, then the slope is undefined. So I couldn't fit in the word in there. Let me write it in here. Undefined. And what about its x-intercepts? It's exactly intersecting with the x's on the x equals 4. What about its y-intercept? Does this ever gonna intersect with y-axis? No, because it's parallel to it. No y-intercepts. So this is how you solve these questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.